Eddie, what are you doing today?
A Japanese snack review.
A Japanese snack review? What kind of Japanese snacks do you have?
Chocolate coin. Lemon soda. Gummies. Gummy candies. Pocky sticks.
Alright, and which one do you want to try first?
Gummy!
Alright, go ahead. Which one is that? What flavor?
Orange.
Orange. Is that good? Does it taste like oranges?
Yeah.
Alright, what other flavors are up there? Which flavor are you going to try next?
Lychee.
Lychee? You've never had lychee. What does that one taste like?
Good.
Good? Awesome. Next one, which flavor is that?
Apple.
Apple? Like apple? Do you like that one better than the lychee?
Both of them.
Oh, both of them.
Grapes.
Green grapes. Good? You had to think about that?
They don't taste like normal grapes.
No?
Juice.
Try the purple grape. See if that tastes like a normal grape. Is that one also good? Does it taste like the green grape or different?
Same.
The same? Oh, and you're gonna try it's Melon creamy soda. Alright, let's see what that tastes like. Is that good? Is that a good face or a bad face? A good face.
How I close this?
Up to you. You have either cookies and cream Pocky stick, or chocolate Pocky sticks, or a chocolate coin. Need help opening that one? Alright, why don't you go ahead and try the chocolate Pocky sticks while we get this chocolate coin open.
Which one is it?
The red box. Chocolate. So
it's the same.
Yeah, it says it's chocolate covered biscuit sticks.
It tastes like chocolate.
And it's got a crunch from the biscuit stick. Alright. Got your chocolate coin open. Oh, looks like there's a little melted part. Why don't you just take a bite out of that? Does it taste like Japanese chocolate or just regular chocolate?
Regular.
Alright. That looks good. Alright, you have one more kind of Pocky stick to try. Now that you have a mouthful of chocolate, you can try the cookies and cream Pocky stick. So, you've tried all of your Japanese snacks. Which do you like better?
All of them.
You like them all? Well, that's good. So you recommend everything to your viewers. All right. Well, that wraps it up then for our Japanese snack review.
Bye, kids. Please subscribe to all about